It's a good, good.
Hi, I'm Jack Hammond. I'm the Executive Director for Home Base, and I just want to tell you all I am thrilled to join you once again for the 10-year anniversary here at the Nest. This is such a strong community support for our veterans and military family members. As you all probably know, Florida represents the third highest veteran concentration in the United States, but tragically, it is number one in veteran suicide. We have the most at-risk veterans here in Florida, and you guys are putting words, resources, and action to deeds, and you're moving forward, and you're raising money, and you're welcoming these veterans to our community.
I am Rena Osby, and I am honored to be here today to sing the national anthem for Home Base. Our South Florida chapter has raised over $2+ million because of the generosity of the locals here, and I am so blessed and honored to be here singing the national anthem and singing for our freedoms here today.
It's just been such a great partnership working with the Nest. They've donated, millions of dollars to this effort, and we're just so proud to be here today and proud to be a part of this community. This is 10 years. 10 years the Nest has been working at this goal of supporting veterans in this community, and it's just absolutely amazing to be a part of it. And so today I just want to make sure everybody knows that it's always about the veterans, but I also want to celebrate the Nest in this community today because the outpour of support and ensuring that the veterans feel welcomed when they come home is just absolutely amazing.
There ain't nothing like this right here. Got me seeing things crystal.
Hi, my name is Tyler King, and I'm here with the Home Base. They have this amazing golf tournament going on right now, and I'm so thankful I'm able to be a part of it. Home Base has done so much to help me in my life and with my family, and helping me through their Warrior Fitness program and even through skills and parenting. So I'm just so grateful and excited to be here, to be able to meet some other amazing donors and people who just love our veterans and who can come out to support us so much. And I just want to extend my gratitude and say thank you. And I'm looking forward to playing some golf today. So I'll see you out there.
There ain't nothing like this right here. Got me seeing things crystal clear. So high I can fly, come on, it's gonna lift me up. There's a fire underneath my feet. Got me rolling like a river deep. Let it flow, cause I know with my soul to lift me up. Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck it up, ain't no doubt. Sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming, so wait and see. It's a good, good thing.
We also want to show our appreciation to our veterans and everybody who served this country so bravely, but also to the very generous Nest members. This is an amazing club all throughout. When you think about the cart guys have been here since 5 o'clock this morning, putting everything together, and it's just remarkable how much support the Nest members have provided. We also want to appreciate the fact that our work is not done. And you'll notice that this table is perfectly set up, the food all prepared, but there's something missing. There's no guest. It's a table without a guest.
It's contagious, gonna get you